I'm so excited because I completed the entire day, as in like everything. Well, I just got one more thing to tick off of my to-do list today, but everything is in yellow. And if you was on the live, or I think I might have mentioned it in the video, I've got a 2021 planner, or should I say maybe not planner, maybe planner's not the right word, but I've got a 2021, it is a planner, it's a planner, okay. I got a 2021 planner. I ain't got no lip gloss or anything. And I've written down everything that I need to do. Not everything for the whole year, but like I fill it out weekly. And I can see that this week started kind of flimsy, because on Monday I did 2 out of my 4 tasks. Then on Tuesday I did 1 out of my 4 tasks. So that was just poor, and that was mainly because of procrastination, okay. Knowing you need to do something and just being damn lazy to do it. Then Wednesday I completed 2 out of my 4 tasks. No, I had 5 tasks to actually do on Wednesday and I completed 2. Oh, how bad. Thursday I completed 2 out of my 4 tasks again. But today, Friday, I've completed 4 out of my 5 tasks. The last task on there that I need to actually tick off, or might need to reschedule. Yeah, I've completed 4 out of my 5 tasks, and I want to see if I can get the 5th one done by the end of today. Tomorrow is my hubby's mum's birthday. Then tomorrow I need to start doing a few things for something, and then I need to also do a lovely birthday video for Sheena baby, that's Ash's sister. And then I also have to do quiet time with Jesus, and that is it for Saturday. Then Sunday I'm just praise and worship. That's my only thing that I got to do. So Sunday's like a relaxed day, and I've also got a full week next week. But yeah, I kind of want to show y'all about that when y'all up in my business. I don't want y'all to be up in my business. I don't want y'all to be up in my business, because I know some of y'all nosy. Some of y'all really nosy, and I don't really want y'all up in my business like this. But let me try to see what I can show you. So that's what I mean with the yellow and the you see how I marked the yellow and stuff? So that's what I mean. But yeah, today I'm cooking. I am making fried chicken. This is not gonna really be a long vlog. I'll probably piece this vlog with another vlog. But today I'm cooking. I'll probably show you what my quiet time with the Lord looks like. As you can see, I'm cooking fried chicken. And curry chicken. That's what's going in. But yeah, I'm gonna go sort that out now, and I will be back to speak to y'all. Love you, me Julsz. Me old Julsz, me new Julsz, me in between Julsz. Me say me old Julsz, me new Julsz, me in between Julsz. Me old Julsz, me new Julsz, me in between Julsz. But I beat pandas and I can rap.